everyone, I hope you're having a great day. So today's video we're doing another exciting review. This time I'm reviewing the magnetic eyeliner. I tried before the magnetic lashes. I did a review for the magnetic lashes, two sides, and then I reviewed the magnetic accents just like on the ends by the Ardell, and I absolutely love those because they were super easy to use. But then this one is the eyeliner, and apparently the magnetic false is supposed to stick on it, but this is a whole set of lashes, so I don't know how it's gonna work. It has 4 magnets as long as I see 5 actually, sorry, my bad, I'm lying. So I found this brand completely by accident. I really wanted to test out the magnetic liquid eyeliner, and I was looking for a brand obviously that would be cruelty free and vegan friendly, and then I came across this brand called Phoera. So yeah, so in this video this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna try to review this magnetic eyeliner by Phoera. This is brand new, unpacked, still sealed and everything. I was waiting to film this video to actually test it out as I wanted to be a first impressions review as with all my review videos. So I think without any further ado, let's just open up and see what we got. Packaging so far looks cute, black and pink. Okay, so what they say on the packaging: for luxurious lashes, look and feel like full, beautiful, natural lashes. These synthetic lashes are easy to apply, glue-free and comfortable. The way they say you need to apply is apply Phoera magnetic eyeliner as your regular eyeliner, add a second coat. So you need to do 2 coats of the eyeliner. Okay. Wait a minute or 2 for Phoera magnetic eyeliner to become dry. Liner must be dry to magnetize to the lash magnets. And then the magnetic liquid eyeliner, super hold, wind resistant, 100% harm free, waterproof, smudge proof, latex free and magnetic. There's no running, fading or flaking. So that's a big statement to say on the packaging. Alright, let's do this. I'm a little bit nervous actually. Don't know why, but okay. So the liner. Oh, so the brush is a little bit bent. Oh no, like why? See? It's just the way it was placed into the tube. Like it's no one's fault, I guess, but it's just disappointing, you know? I'm gonna try with this. If not, I'm gonna take my own eyeliner brush and use that one because this is gonna be a bit of a challenge. Okay, let's see. Maybe I can manage. I think I might need to take my own brush so I can have a little bit more precision because this brush is bended. It's just such an unfortunate look. Well, it happens to the best of us. Usually, to be honest, when I use that kind of type eyeliner, the liquid eyeliner, I prefer to use my own brush rather than use the one provided because I prefer for the liner to use more of a pen liner. That makes any sense, like Epic Liner by NYX or something like that, you know. Why I like to use my own brush is because I have such a heavy hand, and this part of the brush provided has some product on, so that usually sticks to my lashes and I'm getting annoyed. But because this kind of brush gives more precision, I prefer to use my own one. Alright, so the eyeliner is on. So as we say on the packaging and on the website that I need to wait for a minute or 2 for the eyeliner to dry before applying the lashes. So this is exactly what I'm gonna do. Okay, so a few minutes passed already. I think the eyeliner should be dry and we could try the lashes. But you know what? Because my eyes are so super hooded, and if I wear the eyeliner just on its own, it looks a bit, I don't even know what word to describe. But anyways, what I want to say, I want to give a little bit of a depth to my eyes. So I'm gonna add a little bit of the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna use the Tarte Goddess Glam Eye and Cheek palette. I'm gonna go where my crease is and on the outer corners. Moment of truth, guys. I'm really nervous about this. I think I'm just nervous because I feel like I'm gonna fail. But let's just do this. Okay. Let's just talk about these lashes for a second. How beautiful they look. I haven't measured these out yet because with some lashes they are too long for my eyes. So it says to start from the inner eye corner. Usually I would use the tweezers, but then it's magnets, so it might get stuck. Wish me luck. Oh, this is so easy. Oh, wow, you guys. Have you seen this? Oh my god. That was so quick. I think I just went a little bit too close to my inner eye corner because it's touching this part. This is what I said about measuring the lashes before applying. But I could add a bit on the outer corner more, so it's fine. Oh, and so easy to take off. Oh my god, you guys. So the hardest part was to apply the eyeliner by far. Usually, you know, with false lashes, it's kind of hard to apply, but this is not the case. Have you seen how easy that was? Shook. Like, absolutely shook. And it looks amazing. The hardest part, as I said, was to apply the eyeliner. So if you struggle with the eyeliner, practice that a bit more. But the lashes, the easiest falses I ever worked with. Okay, let's do on this eye and see if that's gonna be as easy as this one, because that took like a second. So I'm gonna use the tweezers once again. You know what I like about it? It's very easy to readjust if you went like too far from your lash line or you don't like a position you put it on. Absolutely loving this so far. I honestly can't believe how fast the application was. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, the eye look is complete. We just need to apply a little bit of mascara on the lower lash line. So I'm gonna go with the NYX Worth the Hype mascara for that. But the lash application, like that. Literally, you've seen this. Alright, so my verdict about this Phoera magnetic lashes and magnetic liquid eyeliner set is the eyeliner was a little bit tricky to apply just because it's the eyeliner. And if you do have hooded eyes like I do, you will know the struggles of the liquid eyeliner application. Yeah, so what I want to say, the most what it took for me to do was the actual liner, because you know you need more precision. When I say it took me longer, I don't mean that it took me like hours, it took me like 5 minutes, you know, to be fair and honest. Just because I'm used to doing my eyeliner and I do wear eyeliner a lot. As I mentioned before, I prefer the pen liners better than the liquid liners, and if I ever use liquid liner, I go with my own liner brush rather than using the brush provided, as I just prefer that more. Plus this one was banded, so I'm like really disappointed about that part that became better, but it's kind of nobody's fault, you know, these things can happen, so I can't really blame anyone because it's just the way you put the, you know, brush in the tube. So that part took the longest was the eyeliner, but if you wish, you can just go with, you know, the super thin line very close to your lash line and then apply the lashes on top of that if you're not a fan of the big bold eyeliner or the cat eye eyeliner or anything like that. And the lash application, I mean, you've seen it. It literally took a second. Honestly, guys, I'm super impressed by this product, by this Phoera magnetic lashes, magnetic liquid eyeliner set. I'll definitely be using this in the future because it's the fastest I ever applied the falsies. Doesn't require any precision or anything. That's the best part of it, and you can, you know, adjust and move so easily. Honestly, the best thing I ever tried. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this in-depth review and tutorial video and you found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Honestly, you guys, I can't even stress enough how important it is if you just press my button to subscribe. And I shall see you soon in my next video. So thank you so much for watching and bye. Check it out, guys.